Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you.
Okay, hey guys. So I actually forgot to record a intro to this video of me talking, but basically, as we know, I am doing a install on this wig from AliPearl. It is I kind of call it like an Oreo highlights. I really like this wig. It's so cute. Oh my god. But I haven't done a voiceover in so long. It feels so weird, but I'm doing the same thing as I usually do. I apply the glue 3 times, if anybody ever was confused, and then I just spread it out evenly, kind of like if you were spreading like peanut butter on a sandwich. But I like to do that so when I put on the wig, it's actually super easy to do and the application is clean and neat. I actually did a hairstyle on this wig. I did kind of like a 90's inspired, kind of like Lizzie McGuire type, half up, half down. But I will be showing that hairstyle or how to do that hairstyle towards the end of the video. So don't skip, but just so you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that to the other side and I spread it out evenly. Same old, same old. I noticed this wig was a little small on my head, but that was no problem. I usually just cut the thread by the back of the lace front. That usually helps me out. If you ever do have, a big head, there's nothing wrong with it. And once you cut out the thread from the back of the frontal where the ear tabs is, it actually, spreads out a little bit and gives you a little room. Now I'm going in with Got To Be just to, make sure it's secure. And I actually couldn't find my elastic band, so I just used this scarf. To be honest, it all works the same, so it's the same purpose. Now I am just cutting off the excess lace. If you see a little sparkly dot at the top of my lace, it's because the stockings I use, I didn't realize they're actually glittery stockings, but they're the only thing I had to put on my head, so I just used anyways. But don't be stupid like me. Get, a regular stocking and you won't have this problem. But other than that, the application was really good. The lace melted as you see. I think after the video, I actually applied more makeup to my lace just so it won't look too dark. But I pretty much did the same type of process I usually do. Be careful when you do this part just because you don't want to cut yourself. I feel like multiple times I have cut myself and it is just not the move. Nobody wants a bloody scalp. And then when you take off the wig, there's a scab there and people are like, oh my god, what happened to your head? Are you okay? Now I'm taking the Got To Be and I'm just spraying down the parts that just need a little, melt. And then I just go in with my blow dryer to, get that stuck on my head. I've been doing my baby hairs kind of the same now. I haven't really switched it up. I feel like nothing really different. I just apply the arrogant Tay method, I guess, where you curl your edges up forward. That has forever saved me because it just makes putting down your edges so easy. And I usually pluck my edges just so it won't be too thick, but sometimes I like thick sideburns. That's me. Not everybody has to like it, but I just trim it down with a razor and then I curl it up. And my favorite thing to use is actually Got To Be, just because it gives you the illusion that it's soft baby hairs while having the security of a gel. That's the best way I could put it. But take a really small flat iron. Do not get one of them big flat irons because you're not going to grab nothing. So grab a small baby one. I got this off of Amazon, super cheap. If anybody's curious, I can link it down below. But this was not hard to find, and it is a life changer because I would make the mistake of buying those big flat iron or using my flat iron, and it did not curl my edges. So now I'm just laying it down with the Got To Be hairspray, and as we see, she's the truth. She is the truth. But yeah, that is all I have to say. I love you guys. I never know what to say in these voiceovers. Bye.
Okay, so I'm in a dilemma because I'm not really going out like looking cute in pictures and all till Sunday. So I'm like, would it really be smart of me to show you this hairstyle right now and then I look stupid when I need to take pictures, or just show you guys when it's time to go out? So I think we're all understanding that's what we're gonna do. For now, I'm just gonna, finish this up, but I guess this is just gonna be in like 2 parts. I feel like that makes more sense to me because I'm not going out till Sunday, because tomorrow I'm dedicating myself to figure out my freaking closet, like, because literally my closet, I'm trying to like get rid of my clothes just because a lot of the clothes I have in there I don't wear. That's what I think I'm gonna do, but this is what the edges are looking like. I kind of had to finesse the side, which I think I did pretty good, just because the ear tab didn't fully fit my head, but that's okay. And then this side, she's just doing her own thing, to be honest. It's kind of long. I don't know if I might cut it a little bit, I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm gonna stick, because at first I was like, should I just stick with the hairstyle? But I'm gonna stick with it because I'm like, this hair is cute and it deserves a cute, cool hairstyle. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, this hair's so cool, like, wow.